Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up the EETV box mini in 2026. If you just received your EETV box, the setup process is very quick and it only takes a few minutes. So here is how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to take the HDMI cable included with your EETV box mini. Then you need to plug one end into the HDMI port on the back of the TV box and plug the other end into the HDMI port on your TV. Using the supplied HDMI cable helps ensure the best quality. After connecting the cable, you just have to first of all turn on your TV. Now plug the power adapter into the back of the EETV mini. Then connect the other end to the wall power socket and turn the box on by pressing the power button on the front. Now the TV box will start booting. After doing this, simply grab your TV remote. Over here you need to press this EE button. It is the input button or the source button. So after pressing it on your TV, you need to simply choose the HDMI port where the TV box is connected. When the correct input is selected, you are going to see the EE setup screen on your TV. So it's going to look something like this, where you can press the option of start setup and then follow further on screen instructions one by one in order to set it up completely. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.